Understanding crop storage, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase crop storage. This term is important in both agriculture and everyday language, especially when discussing food supply and farming. Let's dive into what it means and how it's used. Crop storage refers to the methods and facilities used for storing harvested crops. This is crucial for preserving the quality and nutritional value of food products until they are needed. Proper storage helps in preventing loss due to decay, pests, or weather. The significance of crop storage lies in its impact on food security and economic stability. It ensures that food remains safe and consumable over time, which is vital for both farmers and consumers. This section will highlight how effective storage methods can make a difference. There are various ways to store crops, like silos, warehouses, and traditional methods like pits or clay pots. Each method has its advantages and challenges, which we'll explore in detail. Understanding these methods helps in appreciating the efforts behind our food supply. Around the world, crop storage practices vary based on climate, crop types, and cultural techniques. This section will take a fascinating look at how different communities approach the challenge of storing their crops. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of crop storage and its vital role in agriculture and food supply. Remember, it's not just about keeping food, it's about maintaining its quality and availability for everyone. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.